Welcome to Cape Town, South Africa, where natural beauty, vibrant culture, and unforgettable experiences await you. Known as the Mother City, Cape Town sits between the Atlantic Ocean and Table Mountain. It's a city of contrasts, where landscapes merge with diverse neighborhoods. Home to a rich mix of cultures and cuisines, it caters to all. Wildlife enthusiasts, food lovers, adventurers, and history buffs will all find their niche. With a fascinating history and stunning vistas, it promises an enthralling experience. Let's dive in and explore the top 10 must-visit attractions and activities in this captivating city. Marvel at breathtaking panoramic views of Cape Town and the surrounding coastline from the summit of this iconic landmark. From here, the city's might unfolds in a spectacular display, the bright rooftops forming a vivid contrast against the crystal blue ocean. As you gaze across the expanse, the city's architectural brilliance and nature's grandeur become evident. A feeling of standing at the pinnacle of the world engulfs you, invigorating your senses. Partake in a thrilling cable car ride or a demanding hike, each choice satiating the adventurer in you. As you climb, the panorama turns more astounding, every moment imbibing you with the awe of the scene. The crisp air, distant city murmurs, and the sun playing on the ocean surface weave a surreal milieu. Arriving at the top, the stretched-out landscape will hold you spellbound. Take this journey to the top for an unforgettable experience. Discover the unique flora of the Cape Floral Kingdom at this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Immerse yourself in the lushness of nature, with its varied plant life that spans across centuries. Explore the indigenous fynbos and exotic orchids, each plant adding to the tapestry of stories the gardens weave. As you traverse through this verdant haven, you'll find tranquility seeping in, resonating with the serenity of the place. But it's not all about quiet contemplation. The gardens also host vibrant summer concerts. These musical events, bathed in botanical beauty, create a magical atmosphere that's captivating. These concerts are enchanting experiences, adding to the charm of the gardens. Enjoy these summer concerts amidst the botanical splendor. Embark on a scenic drive to Cape Point Nature Reserve, where the striking beauty of nature commences. As you traverse, the changing vistas will captivate your senses, from the tranquil sight of the Atlantic and Indian Oceans mingling to the wild, raw appeal of the reserve. The vast landscape is buzzing with an abundant mosaic of flora and fauna. It's a realm where time appears to halt, offering you the ideal moment to absorb the stunning surrounding beauty. Here, every corner promises an adventure, a chance to explore and uncover the hidden gems. Explore the thriving biodiversity, the rugged cliffs, and the vast tranquil beaches. The highlight is the iconic Cape Point Lighthouse. This towering symbol of light stands proudly, casting its reassuring glow across the seemingly endless oceanic stretch. As you ascend, the path unveils mesmerizing panoramas of the oceanic depths below. The reserve offers a close encounter with Mother Nature's finest creations. Hike to the iconic Cape Point Lighthouse for awe-inspiring views and wildlife encounters. Visit Simonstown and relax at Boulders Beach, home to a lively colony of African penguins. Tucked on the unspoiled ocean's edge, this beach is an oasis for nature admirers. Witness the captivating display of these penguins as they playfully hustle in the water, revealing their unique behaviors. Their contrasting black and white feathers, coupled with their amusing walk, provide an enchanting spectacle. The calming rhythm of the waves and the mild breezes complement this serene, scenic coastal view. You can soak in this peaceful scenery while observing these endearing birds in their natural surroundings. Observe these beloved birds in their natural habitat and enjoy the picturesque coastal scenery. Experience the lively atmosphere of the Victoria and Alfred Waterfront, a buzzing hub of entertainment, shopping, and dining. This enthralling location pairs historic architecture with contemporary design, exuding an unparalleled charm. Stroll through quaint boutiques boasting exclusive assortments of fashion to home decor. Unearth the handcrafted magic of the artisanal markets, packed with unique crafts and African souvenirs. The waterfront is also home to an array of eating spots, offering a vast range of food experiences and menus that cater to all tastes. These restaurants, with their mesmerizing marina views, make every meal an unforgettable experience. Explore boutique stores, artisanal markets, and waterfront restaurants overlooking the marina. Journey through the dynamic, multi-hued streets of Bo-Kaap, a district celebrated for its vivid aesthetic charm and a melting pot of cultures. Saunter along the cobblestone paths, embellished with shades of pink, cerulean, canary yellow, and lime, echoing the city's spirit. This region narrates a tale of victory, perseverance, and camaraderie, firmly anchored in its diverse cultural past. It buzzes with locals, sightseers, and a palpable sense of unity. Pause at a neighborhood coffee house and taste genuine Cape Malay fare, a gastronomic adventure your palate won't forget. With fiery curries and saccharine pastries, the cuisine is as varied as its inhabitants. Venture further into Bo-Kaap's core and delve into its Islamic foundations. Admire the grand mosques, graced with detailed architecture, and take a moment to appreciate the serene, spiritual atmosphere. Bo-Kaap is not just a location, it's a story, an emotion. It's an invitation to experience a rich tapestry of life, history, and culture. Take a scenic road trip along Chapman's Peak Drive, a jewel nestled in the heart of South Africa. This captivating coastal route, christened after British naval officer John Chapman, is hailed as one of the globe's most visually stunning drives. Navigate your way around the bending coastline, your eyes captivated by the peerless views that unfold before you. Steep cliffs diving into the sapphire sea, the limitless expanse of sky melting into the ocean at the distant horizon, it's an awe-inspiring spectacle. The drive, threading a path through towering heights and glistening bodies of water, is a testament to the pristine splendor of the natural world. It's here where the journey holds more allure than the destination. Prepare yourself for a memorable expedition that will render you speechless. Marvel at breathtaking vistas of the Atlantic Ocean and rocky coastline. Relax on the sun-drenched shores of Clifton and Camps Bay beaches. Here, the white sands contrast with crystal-clear waters, creating an idyllic retreat. Allow the sun's warm embrace to tint your skin a soft golden hue. Bask in seaside tranquility, and let the rhythmic lull of the Atlantic calm your senses. Dive into azure waters for an invigorating swim, and relish pure joy that comes from sunbathing. Pack a delightful picnic, laden with your favorite treats, ideal for a lazy afternoon by the sea. The day by the sea becomes more memorable with the gentle hum of the ocean waves. Enjoy swimming, sunbathing, and seaside picnics against the backdrop of the Atlantic Ocean. Embark on a wine-tasting adventure in the idyllic Stellenbosch wine route, nestled in South Africa's fertile Western Cape. Acclaimed globally, this wine route boasts a plethora of exquisite wine varieties. Travel this serpentine road, ensconced by lush vineyards and awe-inspiring mountain views. Here you'll discover historic wine estates, each narrating a unique tale of time-honored winemaking practices. In these estates, you'll savor award-winning wines, embodying the region's distinct terroir. These tastings, designed to heighten your senses, are paired with delectable cuisine, meticulously selected to enhance the wine's intricate flavors. In the midst of this sensory journey, you'll marvel at the land's stunning beauty, a feast for the eyes. As you traverse this route, you'll not only taste but feel the richness of the region's winemaking heritage. Explore historic wine estates and sample award-winning wines accompanied by gourmet cuisine. The Two Oceans Aquarium in Cape Town is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a captivating aquatic experience. Located at the lively V&A waterfront, it showcases the diverse marine life of the Atlantic and Indian Oceans, which meet at Africa's southernmost point. You'll encounter a fascinating variety of marine creatures, from playful dolphins to vibrant fish species and hypnotic jellyfish. The aquarium's exhibits and resources educate visitors about the importance of marine conservation and maintaining oceanic balance. It's an enriching experience for nature lovers, families, or anyone curious about underwater life. The Two Oceans Aquarium promises an unforgettable journey into the depths of aquatic wonder. From the heights of Table Mountain to the pristine beaches of Clifton, Cape Town captivates with its natural wonders, rich heritage, and vibrant culture. The city's beauty is a blend of panoramic views, architectural marvels, and a diverse populace. Experience its charm by ascending the iconic mountain via cable car. Uncover its historical lineage as you stroll the cobblestone streets, contrasting modernity. The sun-kissed beaches are a haven for relaxation, their beauty only outshone by the harmonious meeting of land and sea. Indulge in local cuisine, each bite a celebration of the city's heritage. Immerse yourself in the pulsating rhythm of Cape Town's nightlife, an embodiment of the city's vibrant spirit. Embark on your own Cape Town adventure and discover the magic of this extraordinary city.